How to edit your hometown on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your hometown on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find profile information. Click on it and then just go down. Here you will find hometown. Click this pen here and click edit, and now just select under hometown and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.